Here's how to connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio using MCP. In Roblox Studio, click AI Assistance, then click the three dots and select Manage MCP Servers. Enable Studio as an MCP server and copy the JSON configuration that appears. Now open the Claude desktop app. Click your profile icon and go to Settings, then Developer, then Edit Configuration. Open the JSON config file in a code editor. Visual Studio Code or Notepad both work. Paste the JSON configuration you copied from Roblox Studio into the file and save it. Right-click the Claude icon in your taskbar and quit the app completely to reset it. Reopen Claude and go back to Developer Settings to confirm the MCP server is now connected. You may also need to go to Experience Settings in Roblox Studio and enable HTTPS for the connection to work properly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.